Trauma means that something blunt smashed into something else, and that's why in hospital you have a trauma center. So whether a person is in a hiking accident and falls down a ravine, whether a pallet falls on somebody's neck, whether there's a car accident, whether somebody gets stabbed with a knife, that is trauma, and they go to the trauma center and they get healed in the trauma center. When we talk about psychological trauma, the parallel to the mind is true, that something bigger for your mind that you can't comprehend smashed into your mind and created a collision or a stab or a break into your mind. And so I remember once, for example, seeing a case where 3 people got stabbed by a terrorist, and obviously they were very traumatized, their families were traumatized, but you know who else was traumatized? A woman bystander who watched the 3 men get stabbed. She didn't get stabbed. How could she possibly be shaking uncontrollably and not be able to function? The answer is because she had trauma to the mind.